Hi, I am Joy from Phoneplace Kenya, and today we are going to review the Realme C55. Let us see what it has to offer. It comes in two variations, the 128GB with a 6GB RAM and the 256GB with an 8GB RAM that costs 25,500 Kenyan shillings. The Realme C55 has a sleek design with a matted surface giving you better grip, and for its cost you get a 5000 mAh battery with a 33 watts fast charging system. At the front, you get a 6.72-inch IPS LCD screen that has a 1080x2400 pixel resolution. On the side is a power button that also acts as a fingerprint scanner, and you also get an 8-megapixel wide selfie camera. The Realme C55 runs on the Realme UI 4.0 OS and is powered by a Mediatek Helio G88 processor. It comes in three colors: sun shower, rainy night, and rainforest. At the back, it has two cameras, a 64-megapixel wide camera and a 2-megapixel depth camera that has a video quality of 1080p at 30 fps, not bad for a budget phone. You can get this phone at www.phoneplacekenya.com. You can also feel free to place an order. We deliver within 24 hours outside of Nairobi and same-day delivery within. You can also head over to our physical store at the Bazaar Plaza, Mezzanine 1, Unit 5.